morning, guys. So I look a mess, just took a shower and stuff like that. I'm about to quickly go and get my nails done because today, face all ashy, this is real life me. Today is engagement photo shoot day, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Never done a photo shoot before, so can't wait to see how this stuff turns out. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes with the photo shoot. I'm gonna go get my nails done like I just said. Then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna finish editing my video and try to edit my video that I might post today, which is Sunday. Not sure yet. I'm trying, you guys, I'm on a posting schedule now. I'm posting 2 days a week, Sunday and Wednesday, and I'm trying my hardest to actually post 3 days a week. So if you're new here, please subscribe to your girl. You're gonna love everything I'm about to bring to this channel. I'm basically revamping everything. But makeup, I'm gonna do like a get ready with me with you guys. So I'm about to beat honey this face. Like,
if you're on it, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it. If you're on it, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it.
okay, y'all, so this is the finishing look for our photo shoot. What do you think? So this is a dress, Fashion Nova. This dress says, "You're going to marry me. I'm your fiance. I'm gonna meet your mother. Frederick, who's calling me? What was that you said? Mrs. Not Miss. Thank you." I just love the arms. It's like So we about to go to the photo shoot. So I'll see you guys at the shoot. Okay. This is so beautiful, you guys. A little gem in Deltona. I love it. This is so beautiful. Oh. I'm so happy I found you. So we did our photo shoot. It was so beautiful. Look at the sunset. Y'all can see it. But it was so beautiful. We even went by the rocks and took our own pictures with our own camera. What'd you think of the photo shoot, babe?
What'd you think of the photo shoot?
I loved it. I loved her.
I loved her a lot. She was my favorite.
Right? She was awesome, and she was just like, do this and do that. And then when she showed us the pictures, it was like, whoa.
I couldn't believe that was me. I feel like I should get paid for that. I charge you something.
So I think we're gonna end the video.
Yeah.
And hope you guys like the pictures when it comes out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love it.
Y'all gonna like it.
I just wanted to say I do. Like while I was doing pictures, like I do. This is awesome.
Take this woman to be
your wife. I do. But see you guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, join the gang, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.